Hi Mi fans, this is the Mi UK community's unboxing of the Mi 11 Ultra, and I'm Torlyn. So today we're going to unbox the Mi 11 Ultra, and as you all know, it's a giant of a phone, literally and metaphorically. So normally I'd use my trusty unboxing knife. Not going to cut it, is it? So today we're going big. Right, as you can see, the black box with the Mi 11 Ultra and Mi logo in rose gold. The Sound by Harman Kardon, which is a really interesting development that the 11 series brought. And 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator capabilities, i.e. if you live in the countryside, not going to work. On the side, okay, once again the logo with easy access to all the Google apps you use most. Slight dig at the competition. The Xiaomi logo on this side, same on all sides, and nothing at the bottom. Right, shall we open it? This box, I have to admit, it arrived separate from the phone, so you're not going to get the full experience. I didn't either. So as you are used to, you're getting the little middle booklet with the SIM ejector tool, the paperwork, and the TPU case. Okay, so TPU case, and as you can see, there's a very wide lip to it to protect the camera bump, which is a really good thing to see, trust me. So, here we go, the phone. Well, let's save that for later. And yes, fans, you can see I have a cat. And underneath, it's actually quite interesting because the global version has in the box a 67 watt gallium aluminium nitride charger. So of course I'm getting the EU version, but the UK version is getting the 3-pin one, and obviously a cable rated for 67 watts. The phone, as you can see from the front, quite reflective. Hello people. It's pretty much the same as Mi 11. But turn it around and yeah, we are not in the same realm. As you can see, the enormous camera module, including the screen, which I will show later in the review. There's two main cameras and the secondary, the flash, so 120x, so 120 zoom, and as you can see, the lovely ceramic back in black. In that case, it exists as well in white and in limited editions with a marble effect, I believe. And as you can see from the side, it protrudes a bit. More on that in the review. At the top, the usual microphones and IR blaster. At the bottom, USB-C microphones and the SIM tray. On the left side, absolutely nothing apart from antennas, and the right side, well, hard to see in that finish, but you do have the buttons, volume and power. Right, that's us done for the unboxing. See you on the review. Bye bye.